Hi and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video we'll be showing you how our Fastime 28 stopwatch works. The Fastime 28 is a jumbo digit stopwatch with rugged versatility. It is a professional mid-range stopwatch designed for maximum visibility and ease of use. It upgrades the basic stopwatch experience with an extra large display and enhanced daily utility features, making it a reliable companion for coaches, referees and timekeepers in demanding environments. The split reset button we will refer to as button C. The mode button we will refer to as button A, and the start stop button we will refer to as button B. Press B to start. Press B to stop. Press B to continue. Press B to stop, and press C to reset. Press B to start. Press C to take a split. Cumulative internal timing continues. Press C to release. Press B to stop, and press C to reset. Press B to start. Press C to take and show the first finish time. The internal timing will continue. Press B to stop the second finish time, and press C to show the second finish time. Press C to reset. Press the A button to move to the time of day date display. Hold B to display the date and day. Press C to display the alarm time. Hold C and B to turn the alarm on and off. The alarm icon displays when the alarm is on. In the time of day mode, press A 3 times. The seconds digit will start flashing. Press C to select the data: hours, minutes, seconds, date, month, AM or PM. Press B to set the data. Hold B for quick scroll. Press A to confirm. In time of day mode, press A twice. The hour digit will start flashing. Press B to set the data. Hold for a quick scroll, and press C to select the data. Press A to return to the time of day mode. And that's the Fastime 28. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.